this is my channel at Registering Hub. Kindly subscribe. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add your custom domain to your blogger. Now over here you could see we are inside our C panel. That is our control panel. So you enter into your control panel and look for your DNS. Now on the DNS you choose the domain you want to use, and secondly you move to your blogger. Once you log into your blogger, locate to the settings and look for custom domain. Over here you type in your domain name. So on your DNS you take the domain you want to use. First of all, we copy this domain. That's what we want to use. So once we copy this domain, now I'm going to clear or delete some of these C names over here. That was already done. So let me delete few of those ones I did already. So I've deleted one. I'm looking for the second one. Okay, I'm going to delete. No, it's this one. Okay. Yeah, this one. So we delete this one. Going to delete this one. Now I think all is okay. So what you do is this: on your, think everything is okay here. Let's leave the remaining one. Let me update the DNS. Okay, so move to your blogger. So inside your blogger you move to settings. On the settings you locate to where the DNS. So let me copy the domain. Okay, so on your settings, see your custom domain. Type www. The domain name, then click on save. Now you see an error indicated here. Now you are going to copy this CNN. That's the C name where we have www. Copy all this. So let's first copy the domain name. We copy this one since I have this in my head. So you copy this one, move here. Now on your DNS, add the www as the name here. Then you come back. That's this one. So the one we copied, we'll change this one to C name. Then add the one you copied, you paste it here. Once you're done, click on update DNS. Then move back. Then we do the same thing for the second one, where you are going to copy this, yes, this one as the name. Go back to your DNS, do the same, paste it here, then change it from A to C name. Then go back to the blogger. Let's copy the last one, which is this one. You can see it's very long. So you copy this. Let me close this. Okay, closed. So we move to your DNS. On your control panel, paste this one, then click on update. Now once you've made those changes, you could see we've added the C names, those two C names. You could see we've added them. So let's update. Okay, let me update it again. Then let me click on save. Now, okay, it is done. Now let me trigger the HTTPS. Now once it's done, you try to open your domain. It has to, normally it takes within 24 hours. Within 24 hours for it to propagate. And once it's done, you'll be able to view your custom domain on your blogger. So you could see it's not propagated yet, so we need to give it within 24 hours, so it can be less. Once you're done, you can proceed. Thank you for watching.